What I always like to do, it's good practice and it doesn't cost much. I have my oil and I'm going to lubricate with a tiny drop of oil all the rotating, moving parts. This on that side too. So it goes there. See? Okay. Can wipe away when there is too much. Then we have, of course, the side stand. It's very easy. Press it down a bit. Then also it's already rusted. Here, wiggle it. Oil comes everywhere, and then mostly forgotten, this one, just a drop of oil. Up, up. Here. How easy is that? Then feel if your gear shifter has any play. No. Then one too, a drop here, a drop there, a drop everywhere. That's so easy to do, and the bike loves it, really loves it. Here, you can hear him. Just wipe it off. Wow. Ow, talk. Then over here, it's from the clutch. Just a tiny drop. Oh, oops. Over there. And this is a rotating point too. Tiny drop. Use it a few times. Okay, then wipe too much oil away. And on the other side I'm going to do the same.